Hi, I'm Jason from RapidScan 3D. In this video, we'll walk through a demonstration of using the Geomagic ControlX for CMM programming. You'll see how to import scan data, align it with reference models, using pairing maps to detect small deviations. This process ensures precise measurements for quality inspection and comparison. We'll also show you how to generate and export reports in formats like PDF and XML, making it easy to share findings with your team, whether you're manufacturing or quality control. In this video highlights ControlX simplifies the inspection processes for maximum efficiency.